This is getting beyond a joke. Monday morning, I was here Saturday, and there was nothing wrong with this. I coated this up. The crows have been back again. I can hear them in the distance. I'm going to have to redo this again. Pain in the backside, honestly. So I think we'll have to get some bird comb on these spikes. Stop that. That's ridiculous. Oh well. Monday morning blues. I'll just flick away anything that's loose. Cut it off. That's okay. And now just sand it. I'm doing this one-handed, but nozzle just against the glass. Release and take it off. Bit of white spirit on a cloth on your finger, just wipe that back. Just slowly turning your finger, keep as much off the glass as possible. One step forward, 2 steps back. Now leave that to cure for 24 hours and recoat it. Hopefully we'll have something in place here to stop them again. And again, this is the sealant. Works well under paint. So, good for this. I'm 24 hours on now. Putting the final coat on this. Still hear them crows. With a damp cloth, just wipe that off the face. Again, I only coated these up on Saturday. But once we get these spikes on here, it won't be a problem. A bit windier, but I managed to get these coated up, so they'll be okay. Nothing but vandals, these crows. As soon as I get something on here to stop them, it'll be good. Need another mither. Won't leave me alone. That's the door done. So that's the last thing to be finished now. So hopefully I'm not having any more problems. Not a bad colour. Go well on a Challenger tank, that would.